The new combine command seamlessly merges illustrations generated in fixed scale mode. This feature is especially useful when the illustration anchors are located outside the canvas, making manual combining quite difficult. Let's have a look how this works. You just select the items you wish to combine, press Shift, select the illustration that will be used as an anchor, and click Combine. That's it. And this second combine step demonstrates that all selected illustrations are automatically scaled to match the anchor illustration. As you can see, all illustrations are now overlaid and scaled correctly. And for further edits, you still have each illustration in a separate layer in the Explorer window in the top right.